Hello everybody and welcome to our today's video. Today it is lesson number 4 in French. So can you guess what are we going to study today? It's very simple. Okay, I will tell this to you. Indefinite article. The most basic thing in any language is an indefinite article. So, I have a question for you guys. Do you know what is an indefinite article in English? Please tell us in the comment section below. Okay. It is a. It is an indefinite article. A is used at many places, but the important point is it does not define anything. If anything is kept here, like say suppose a book, this is a book, or if something else is kept, this is a tree, like this is a tree, this is a book, but it doesn't define who it belongs to, why is it kept here, what is the reason it is kept here, etc. etc. It doesn't answer your all the W questions. So it is an indefinite article. Now you're wondering why am I explaining all of this to you? Because it is important to understand the indefinite article first in English so that we can very well understand that in French. So, indefinite article in French depends on the noun. Now, why it depends on the noun? Very important point to understand. So, in French, all the nouns have gender. A noun can be masculine, a noun can be feminine, in the same way like it is in Hindi. Meri book, mera ped. Why Meri with the book and Mera with the ped? Because they have their own genders. In the same way, we have genders in French. Book will have a gender. Computer will have a gender. These are all examples divided into two categories, masculine and feminine. So guys, after this explanation, are you all ready to know? Okay, let's get started. Is the indefinite article which is used for masculine singular nouns. Okay? Example: a rua, a king, a chien, a dog, a jardin, a garden. These are all masculine singular nouns. That is the reason we've put a in front of these nouns. Coming to the second indefinite article, which is une. Feminine singular indefinite article. Une reine, a queen. Une souris, a mouse. Une porte, a door. These are all nouns which are feminine in nature. Hence, we have put une in front of these nouns. Hey guys, but Are you sure you will be able to differentiate between a feminine noun and a masculine noun? Let me help you here. Feminine noun 90% of the times has an E as the last letter of the word. So you can guess it very easily. Okay? So I hope this small tip works for you. The third and the last indefinite article is they, which is used for all plural nouns. So now you must be wondering, how do we identify plural nouns in French? So anything ending with an S, X or maybe Z are all plural nouns. Okay? So they is used for plural nouns. Example: they chiens, some dogs. They souris, some mouse. They amis, some friends. So guys, here we made sure that we learn the indefinite articles a, un, they, all three of them with examples. So it is easier for you to learn them and memorize them, as it is very important. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram with the handle name Bloomlingo. Bye!